Does that give you any idea what we're doing today? Who we're reviewing? What we're doing? We are here live. Happy Monday in the Faithful Studio. I am Tyson with Faithful Bearded, and today we are reviewing Ruddy Man Grooming Company. Now, the last time I reviewed Ruddy Man, it was Ruddy Man Beard Company. Something crazy like that. And today we're into Ruddy Man Grooming. We have a rebrand, redo. I'm going to give you a new updated FRS score because last time they were like an 8.4 or something like that. I don't really know. But it's been a long time. And they got some new stuff coming out. So we're going to dig into that right now. We're going to dig in. I got a new oil from him. I have a new butter from him. I have a couple samples of some new scent lineups that he's doing. And I want to show you guys all about this new Ruddy Man. So first, let's dig in to the Ruddy Man Grooming Company oil. So let me show you this. Look at this guy right here. Let's zoom it in. Look at this artwork. This is done by his wife, actually. So his wife creates this. They put it up on the bottle. It's like the Sawyer series is what they call it. And then you got the scent profile on this one here. Scent profile on the label, which I love: amber, oud, campfire, and warm cologne. Warm cologne, amber, campfire, oud, campfire. Y'all know, if you pay attention to this channel, that I don't like campfire. And this gets campfire a little bit. And now I think since I got this one, he lightened it up a little bit. But hey, I don't know. If you like campfire scents, you're going to like the Whistle Punk. Whistle Punk. You know, I don't know what a real Whistle Punk is. I'm not 100% sure, but maybe it's because I'm not up in the times. But I want to show you guys again. Just look at the graphics that his wife comes up with. I mean, how amazing are those? And you're talking like coconut oil, jojoba oil, golden jojoba oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, fragrance and essential oils. You got that right on the label. You got the scent profile. You got what's in it, what it's going to smell like. Homemade in Western North Carolina, USA. That's right there in the North Carolina, which I love North Carolina. So I think the scents are really good. The feel and beard hasn't changed. It's always been good. Ruddy Man has just always done so well on the feel and beard for me. It's the scents. He's got scents going all over the place. He's got food scents. He's got smoky scents. He's got cologne scents. He's got pillow talk. He's got whistle punks and head honchos. Head honcho, let's get this. What is this? Birch, tobacco, pepper, and exotic essence. Exotic essence. Speak, Tyson. Speak. Get it correctly. Who is it now? Oh. Work's always getting in there. Work is always just getting in the way. You ever have that issue where work gets in? Back to the review. Let's get back to the review. So we got the exotic, and then we got River Runner. He runs in the river run. Oh, anyway, redwood, cedarwood, aquatic musk. See, and I like that one. That one just smells nice and aquatic-y to me. And if you don't know what the aquatic smells like, just think of some musk that's got some like fresh air, ocean breeze mixed into it. Smells really good, and the feel is really good as well. So as far as the oils, I mean, new scent profiles, same feel and beard, new labels. That kind of goes on with the whole company aspect of things. Balms, same kind of way, change the same, but butter, like the hot topic in the beard community. Butter. Look at this. Holy moly, you got the awesome label right around the side. He does it exactly how I would want. Don't have much advice on the butter side of things. I can stack them like this and see what it is. I can put another one on top and see, and then I can grab the one I want. I can play Jenga with them. It all flows nice and good. Smells exactly like the scent profile is supposed to smell like. I love that. And you get a really nice poured butter in here now. It's got a really cool texture to it. To me, it kind of feels like that, like moon sand or kinetic sand per se. It's just got some texture to it. It's full body, some texture in there, and then you put it in your hand and you're like, and it's like there, ready to go up in the beard. And then you put it up in the beard, and when it's up in the beard, it goes in. It smells. It locks some moisture in there. Gives you a little bit of a styling. I would say a medium side on the styling. Gives you some of that. And we're going to talk about ingredients. Where's my hand towel? Where's the hand towel? Always have a roll of paper towels handy for when you make a mess. So let's talk about ingredients here. Ingredients on this sexy label. Oh yeah, shea butter, coconut oil, golden jojoba oil, vitamin E, beeswax, fragrance, and essential oils. So you got the shea butter in there, which he handles extremely well. And then you got a tiny little bit of beeswax. It's down on the list, which means it's going to give you a slight hold, but it's more to hold the product together so it doesn't melt. Speaking of melt, he does have a butter that becomes in a liquid form. A liquid form. It's the same ingredients. It's just in a liquid form, so it doesn't melt. It's perfect for throwing in your bag when you want to go to the pool. Over through that one. Man down. Oh, she good. She good. When you're going camping, when you're going traveling, you just want to take something with you or something to leave in the truck, and you don't want to have to worry about it melting. You just take along the liquid butter, Ruddy butter, summer butter, one of the butters, and have that all ready to go for you. And it's the same ingredients, except instead of shea butter, it uses Shea-Olean, which is a liquid version of shea. Now, with the company side of things, you have the Ruddy Reveal, which is a monthly subscription service that you pay $15 for every month. You get to play a game, and you get a sample scent that has a scratch-off sticker. You try to guess it. You give them your answers for a chance to win some free oil. At the end of the month, we all get in a live stream. Anybody is welcome, and the subscribers get to play a game, scratch and sniff, a clue game, reveal what the scent is, and that's all for just $15 a month, less than a bottle of oil. I mean, pretty awesome to me. Pricing's on point, but I gotta love this new rebrand. The rebrand is amazing. The website is really good. The owner is fantastic. Ruddy Man Grooming is definitely something that you want to check out for all your grooming needs if you haven't. And when he jumps on a live stream, you're gonna see him just like this, wearing this apron. This here apron. He's gonna be wearing it. This exact apron, right from the sticker. Not this exact apron, because I have this sticker apron, but an apron that looks like the sticker. The sticker was representative of the apron. The apron was created for him to create his products in, and then he created stickers because it's part. Y'all get what I'm saying? I think y'all understand. And then if he makes Ruddy stick men or sticker men, you know, it'll just be like this. This is the guy you're gonna see, except he's gonna have arms and a waist and legs and all the good stuff. So let's put Ruddy Man out on the Faithful Ranker score. And to do that, I have a spreadsheet. I plug in the numbers. It does all the math equations for me, because that's a benefit of Excel. It does the equations for you. You just have to set it up, and then it does everything for you. That's a benefit. It's a perk. It's one of those things that you appreciate but don't appreciate. It's a first world problem. We don't have to get the calculator and do everything. We have a sheet that does it for us, right? So with that being said, I put it all in. I came up with the equation, and Ruddy Man Grooming today, now officially going forward, comes in at a 9.1 on the Faithful Ranker score. 9.1. Big jump, nice rebrand, amazing products, amazing owner, and you can go to faithfullybearded.com. Hit the FRS scores and discounts. You'll be able to see Ruddy Man Grooming right on the Faithful Ranker score with a discount code for your money-saving pleasure. This is not an affiliate code. It is just solely a discount code to save you guys 15%. So you can do that right on faithfullybearded.com. I will link that below. Make sure you sign up for the newsletter so you get all the awesome things coming out, the giveaways and the things that we do in the newsletter. I want to make sure you guys all have that. So sign up for the newsletter on faithfullybearded.com as well. And hashtag I am faithfully bearded. So thanks for joining in on this video today. I am Tyson with Faithfully Bearded, and as always, be you, be bearded, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.